Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I am going to give you information regarding very important multiple choice questions for entrance exam of MPH, that is Master of Public Health, for various university and institutes like AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Jodhpur, AIIMS Bhubaneswar, Common University Intern Test CUET PG, PGIMER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, IIPH, NIMHANS Bangalore, JNU, Hyderabad University, Lucknow University, ICMR, Rajiv Gandhi Health University, and for all other university and institute which conducts Master of Public Health entrance exam, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, MPH and other entrance exam. And for this, if they want online and offline coaching and want important question PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exam, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. So here first question is, cardiac pacemaker is discarded into. Cardiac pacemaker is discarded into option A yellow bag, option B red bag, option C blue cardboard box, option D puncture proof. Correct answer is blue cardboard box. Cardiac pacemaker is discarded into blue cardboard box. Its explanation is blue color BMW. Category is used for BMW glassware and metallic body implants. Herte cardboard boxes with blue colored marking are used for disposal. Disposal mechanism includes sodium hypochlorite, autoclaving, microwaving, hydroclaving, followed by recycling. Next question is, school health is the responsibility of option A sub-center, option B PSC, primary health center, option C sub-district hospital, option D district hospital. Correct answer is PSC, that is primary health center. School health is the responsibility of PSC. School health communities, so it's school health is the responsibility of, correct answer is PSC, primary health center. Its explanation is School Health Committee, Renuka Roy Committee 1960. School health services should be an integral part of general health services. General health care services are delivered through PSCs, that is primary health centers, primary health cares in India, rural areas. So school health services is an important function of PSCs. Next question is, for analysis of functioning So next question is, for analysis of functioning of a health center with respect to evaluation, which of the following is the most important for assessing clinical management? For analysis of functioning of a health center with respect to evaluation, which of the following is the most important for assessing clinical management? Option A input, option B output, option C process, option D structure. Correct answer is input. For analysis of functioning of a health center with respect to evaluation, input is the most important for assessing clinical management. Its explanation is three types of evaluation for health services: structure, if facilities, equipment, manpower and organization meet good standards; process, recognition, diagnostic procedures, treatment and clinical management, care and prevention is compared with a predetermined standard; medical / nursing audit, an objective and systematic way of evaluation of physician or nurse performance. Outcome, if persons using health services experience major benefits like improved survival, reduced disability, 5 Ds of third health, disease, discomfort, dissatisfaction, disability, death. Next question is, you are a medical officer at a PSC, primary health care 50 patients requiring antihypertensive are being transferred to your PSC from periphery. 40 people need amlodipine 5 mgpo. 10 people have contraindication to use of amlodipine, so those people have to be started with lisinopril 10 mgpo. Drugs will come at PSC once a month. So how many drugs will you order combined and what will be the reorder factor? Option A 800,3, option B 1000,2, option C 1600,3, option D 3000,2. Correct answer is 3000,2. So question here is, you are a medical officer at a PSC. 50 patients requiring antihypertensive are being transferred to your PSC from periphery. 40 people need amlodipine 5 mgpo. 10 people have contraindication to use of amlodipine, so those people have to be started with lisinopril 10 mgpo. Drugs will come at PSC once a month. So how many drugs will you order combined and what will be the reorder factor? Correct answer is 3000,2. Its explanation is, reorder factor helps us calculate the actual order to be placed, stock as well as buffer taken into account. Though RF values vary in literature, most common ones used are given below. Frequency of drug supply reorder factor monthly 2. Frequency of drug supply monthly, reorder factor is 2. Frequency of drug supply every 3 months, reorder factor 6. Frequency of drug supply every 6 months, reorder factor 12. In the given question, total tab amlodipine requirement 40 people into 1 tablet per day into 30 days equal to 1200 tablets. Total tab lisinopril requirement 10 people into 1 tablet per day into 30 days equal to 300 tablets. Total tablets combined requirement 1200 plus 300 equal to 1500 tablets. Drugs will come at PSC once a month, so reorder factor will be 2. Total drugs to be ordered 1500 tablets into 2 equal to 3000 tablets. Next question is, handling of viral specimens of SARS-CoV-2, SARS coronavirus 2 requires biosafety level. Option A BSL-1, option B BSL-2, option C BSL-3, option D BSL-4. Correct answer is BSL-2. Handling of viral specimens of SARS coronavirus 2 requires biosafety level BSL-2. Its explanation is, guidelines for handling and processing specimen associated with coronavirus disease 2019, COVID-19, CDC 2019, biosafety levels for COVID-19, BSL-2 laboratory for handling routine diagnostic testing procedures using standard precautions, processing, staining and microscopic analysis, examination of bacterial cultures, pathologic examination and processing of tissues, molecular analysis, final packaging, electron microscopic studies, routine antibody or antigen detection test, BSL-3 laboratory virus isolation in cell culture and initial characterization of viral agents recovered in cultures of SARS coronavirus 2. Next question is flow cytometry, immunohistochemistry in PNH is plotted through CD markers. Option A pie chart and dot plot, option B bar chart and dot plot, option C line chart and dot plot, option D histogram and dot plot. Correct answer is histogram and dot plot. So here question is, flow cytometry immunohistochemistry in PNH is plotted through CD markers. Its correct answer is histogram and dot plot. Its explanation is, Flow cytometry is a popular analytical cell biology technique that utilizes light to count and profile cells in a heterogeneous fluid mixture. Flow cytometry data is typically represented in one of two ways. Histograms measure or compare only a single parameter. A histogram typically plots the intensity detected in a single channel along one axis and the number of events detected at that intensity is in a separate axis. A large number of events detected at one particular intensity will be displayed as a spike on the histogram. Dot plots compare two or three parameters simultaneously on a 2 or 3 dimensional scatter plot. Each event is represented as a single point on a scatter plot. Intensity of 2 or 3 different channels are represented along the various axes. Events with similar intensities will cluster together in the same region on the scatter plot. Next question is discrete probability distribution that describes probability of a given number of events occurring in a fixed interval of time is known as option A normal probability distribution, option B Gaussian distribution, option C Poisson's distribution, option D binomial distribution. Correct answer is Poisson's distribution. Here question is discrete probability distribution that describes probability of given number of events occurring in a fixed interval of time is known as. Correct answer is Poisson's distribution. Its explanation is Poisson's distribution. It is a discrete probability distribution that expresses the probability of number of events occurring in a fixed period of time. If these events occur with a known average rate and independently of the time since the last event, it can also be used for the number of events in other specified intervals such as distance, area or volume. It is generally used to model the number of events occurring within a given time interval. It is a discrete distribution which takes on the values x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. So in this video important multiple choice questions are given for the preparation of various university and institutes Master of Public Health entrance exam, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes Master of Public Health entrance exam like AIIMS, Rishikesh, Raipur, Bhubaneswar, CUET, PG, PGI, MER, Chandigarh, TISS, Mumbai, JIPMER, Pondicherry, IIPH, NIMHANS, Bangalore, JNU, Hyderabad University, Lucknow University, ICMR, Rajiv Gandhi Health University, Pune University, and for all other university and institutes which conducts Master of Public Health entrance exam. And for this, if they want important question PDF notes and want online or offline coaching, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.